Hi guys, welcome. Once again, it's a Mail Friday. I am Chioma Osu and a lot of you call me Chimi. I'm super excited this afternoon to be taking your messages. Thank you for sending your questions. Thank you for the reviews. I'm super grateful, thank you so much. Okay, so the first mail I'll be taking is from Bruce Kaluba. Bruce Kaluba sent his mail a while ago, and he says, "Hi, my name is Bruce. Thanks for the video on female bodice blog. Can I watch more of your videos, especially male bodice blog?" Bruce, thank you for watching my video on female bodice blog. I'm so excited that it helped you in one way or the other, and I just want to say that for now I am concentrating on female, so I'm not going to be doing a video on male bodice blog soon. However, keep watching. I appreciate your message. I just want to get things straight, so I wouldn't be doing any tutorial on anything that has to do with male. I am concentrating on female, so it's just the female that we'll be doing for now. So thank you very much, Bruce. Okay, so the next question I'll be taking is from Awojobi Oluwaseyi. Awojobi Oluwaseyi, thank you so much for sending your question. And you said, "Hello ma, I got your mail from your YouTube channel. I am trying to sew from one of your videos online. How to cut a 6 pieces blouse, flared blouse, which you posted August 28, 2018. I understand all you said in the video, but my question is, how would the back of the blouse look like? I've gone through your channel and I've not seen any video showing the back. Is there any way you can be of help? Thanks. I await a favorable response." So first of all, I'll say thank you, Awojobi Oluwaseyi, for your question, and I'm really grateful and excited also that you understood everything I said about the flared, how to cut a 6 pieces flared blouse. Well, I would also use this opportunity to apologize because a lot of people had issues with the sound or the audio of that particular video. So Oluwaseyi, I'll actually try to redo that particular video, and this time around I'll also be doing the back of the blouse. Actually, I also want to tell you that the 6 pieces blouse, flared blouse, is not so complicated. If you get the front, it's very easy to achieve the back. Once you've achieved the front, it's very easy because you can now use the front part to also achieve the back. It's just to make a little bit of adjustment to the front part. That's just all you need. So thank you very much. I'm excited to get your question or get the message from you. Okay, so those are the 2 mails that we're going to be taking today. I don't intend that this video takes so much of your time, but I also want to say that a lot of people are sending their reviews, and I'm really excited to get your reviews. Part of those who sent their reviews, Adiola Precious, thank you for your review. Mercy Ebere, thank you for your review. Revival Smith, thank you also for your review. I also want to say special thanks to Amarachi Bauchi, Semira Wakaso, Jenny Yaya, Ahakin, Mercy. Thank you all for your contributions, for your questions, for your messages and all. Okay, this segment is not going to end without me giving you some tips. And number 1 is your pins are very important. So as a beginner, please make sure you get your pins and pin cushion. It's very important. Your pins help you hold your fabric in place, and it reduces the mistakes that you make. So why not use pins if you must or if you have to? Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed our Friday mail segment. I'll see you again next week Friday. Bye bye.